Welcome to EdgeLedger, your self-hosted Binance trading journal that connects Telegram, Notion, and Binance futures into one seamless automated system. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up EdgeLedger on your computer step by step so you can start journaling your trades automatically in minutes. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, the process is identical. No coding, no configuration headaches. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll need Docker Desktop on Windows or Mac OS, or Docker Engine on Linux. You'll also need your integration credentials like API keys, tokens, or secrets for Binance, Notion, Telegram, and ngrok. Don't worry, all of these are explained in your README file inside the EdgeLedger folder. You can follow along there step by step. Next, open your EdgeLedger folder and find the file called ngrok. This is where you'll enter your credentials. Replace every placeholder with your own values. When you're done, save the file and duplicate it by running this command in your terminal. cpm.examplespace.n. That tells Docker to load your real environment values at startup. Now it's time to launch EdgeLedger. In your terminal inside the project folder, copy and run this command. Wait about 1 minute while EdgeLedger automatically builds the image, installs ngrok, and imports the workflow. Once you see ngrok public URL in your logs, you're ready for the next step. To get your personal and 8N dashboard link, copy and run this command. Copy that link and open it in your browser. When you first open the link, you'll be asked to create an account for EdgeLedger. Just set your email and password that's your personal, local login. Now let's finish the setup inside an 8N. Go to the Credentials tab on the left sidebar. You'll already see 2 credentials, a Notion account and Telegram account, both imported automatically. Open the Notion account, then paste this exact value into the field labeled Internal Integration Secret. Paste it as an expression and not plain text. Now go to Workflow and open EdgeLedger, then turn it on. That's it. Your EdgeLedger automation journal is now live syncing Binance positions every hour and ready for your Telegram commands. Thanks for watching and welcome to the future of effortless trade journaling.